Hey there! Ever noticed how some dining rooms feel warm and inviting, while others just feel off? Maybe the table is too big, the chairs are squeezed together, or the lighting just doesn't set the right mood. Creating the perfect dining space isn't just about picking beautiful furniture. It's about getting the layout, scale, and flow just right. And that's where Foyr Neo comes in. Picture this. You finally find a stunning dining table, only to realize it overwhelms the space. Or maybe you're working with an open floor plan and struggling to define your dining area. Instead of guessing, Foyr Neo lets you test multiple layouts in 3D, so you can instantly see what works best. Not sure if a round table fits better than a rectangular one? Or if a bench setup saves more space? Neo lets you experiment with different layouts in real time. Simply drag, drop, and visualize. It's that easy. But designing isn't just about layouts. It's about the details that bring everything together. Neo's massive materials and decor library gives you endless possibilities to play with. Want to see how a marble tabletop pairs with wooden chairs? Or how a bold rug changes the vibe of the room? Just swap materials, test colors, and even adjust lighting to find the perfect combination. And let's talk about the biggest time saver: Neo's smart AI assistants. Instead of spending hours scrolling through inspiration boards or second-guessing your choices, Neo suggests the best furniture and decor pieces based on your style. It's like having a personal interior designer helping you refine your space. Working with a professional designer? Neo makes it super easy to share your project, get feedback, and tweak things in real time. No endless back-and-forth emails needed. So whether you're setting up a cozy breakfast nook or a statement dining room, Foyr Neo takes the guesswork out of design and helps you visualize your dream space before making a single purchase. And the best part? You can try it out for yourself with a 14-day free trial. Just click the link below and start designing your perfect dining room today. Happy designing!